Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Nicole Kidman, the Oscar-winning actress who has been in the spotlight for decades, from Moulin Rouge to The Hours and Big Little Lies. With her long Hollywood career and recent news about her separation from country star Keith Urban, many fans are asking, is Nicole Kidman gay or lesbian? Let's break it all down. Nicole Kidman is one of Hollywood's most celebrated actresses, known for her versatility across film and television. She first rose to global fame in the early 1990s, starred in blockbusters and award-winning dramas, and has since built a reputation as one of the most talented and enduring performers in the industry. Beyond her career, she's been in high-profile relationships, including her marriage to Tom Cruise in the 90s and her nearly 20-year marriage to Keith Urban. Speculation about Nicole Kidman's sexuality comes from a mix of her bold acting choices and her private life. She's played LGBTQ+ characters on screen, spoken out in support of the LGBTQ+ community, and has close friendships within Hollywood. On top of that, with her recent separation from Keith Urban in 2025, some fans have reignited curiosity about her personal life and whether she identifies as gay or lesbian. Is Nicole Kidman gay or lesbian? No, Nicole Kidman has never publicly identified as gay or lesbian. Throughout her life, she has only been linked to relationships with men, including her marriages to Tom Cruise and Keith Urban. While she is a vocal supporter of LGBTQ+ rights and has embraced roles that explore sexuality and identity, there is no evidence or statement from Kidman herself suggesting that she is gay. Nicole Kidman's career and personal life have always drawn public attention, and with her separation from Keith Urban, the spotlight on her is stronger than ever. But when it comes to her sexuality, the answer is clear: she is not gay or lesbian. What stands out most is her consistent support of the LGBTQ+ community, proving that you don't have to identify as part of it to be a strong ally.